Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we shall going to tackle a very interesting SQL question. So we're going to analyze the EPL top 5 teams. So this is the original table and this is the table of the output, the table containing the output. So for example, we're going to find the number of matches played and the number of matches lost. So for example, Manchester City played how many games? So this is a team at home and this is team played away. So team one, this is the team at the home ground, and then this is team that played away ground. So for example, Manchester City played against Arsenal and it won. So Manchester City was at home ground and played against Arsenal. So Arsenal was away. So Manchester City won, and then Arsenal was home ground and Chelsea away ground, and Chelsea won. So we're going to find the number of matches played among these teams, the number of matches this team played. So for example, Manchester City played how many matches? One and two. Chelsea also played one, the one for away and the one for. So the number of matches played by this team, and also Chelsea. So Chelsea played away, and home ground. So Chelsea played how many teams? How many matches? Three. So we're going to find the number of matches played, and then out of out of the matches this team played, how many matches won? How many matches won? The number of matches they won. So for example, Chelsea won out of the three games that they play. Chelsea won two, and so he played against Arsenal and he won. Chelsea. He played against Manchester United and he won. He played against Manchester City. He lost to Manchester City. So first of all, we're going to flag the winners, the team that won at home, and then we're going to flag out the team that won away ground. So let's start with the teams that won at home. So select team one, then guess when team one equals to winner. So we are flagging out the team that won, the home team that won, the home team that won. So that means when the team one is equal to winner. So when team one equal to winner, the winner then one, else zero, and then ends as win flag. Win flag from our main table, which is this one, EPL top 5. So if you run this one, we can see only Manchester City won at home. Also, we can use the same to flag for the team that won at away. To flag for the team that won away. So these are the away teams. So let's flag them. Yeah, so when team 2 equals to team 2 equals to winner, then we flag it as 1, else 0. And then if you run this, can see, so this is the team that won at home. So Manchester City is the only team that won at home. And then the team that won at away ground is the team. So Manchester City basically won both home and away. And then, so after we flag the winners in home ground and away ground, now we can combine these two tables vertically. So we can use union all. Union all will help us combine these two tables, the table of the team 1 and the table of the team 2. So if you run this one, yeah, so we can just give them name as team name. We can just alias them as team name, so that they have a unique name. Yeah, so let's run this again. So after we've now combined the two team, the two tables, now we can count now the number of match played. So for example, Manchester City, we count how many Manchester City are there in this table. So 1, 2, that means Manchester City played how many games? 2. For Chelsea, 1, 2, 3. That means, so for that case, we're just going to use a subquery and then select. So we want the team name, column team name, and then count. Let's say count 1 as number of match played. And then after that, now we're going to do summation of the wins. So for example, Chelsea won how many games? So we'll take 0 plus 1 plus 1. That will give us 2 games. Therefore, we can just use sum. So we're just summing up the win flag. Sum win flag. And this we call it as number of match won. Of matches won. Yes, so we have the number of matches played and we have number of matches won. So we can use you can use these two columns to find the number of matches lost. So you can just take this column of number of matches played and then we subtract it with the number of matches won. So this one will give us number of matches lost. Yeah, and then write from to, and then you group by. So since we've used the aggregation in this, so we'll link to group by team name. Yeah, and then you can use you can order by the sum of win flag. Order by sum of win flag from descending. Yeah, then we give alias to this table, just call it J. And then if we run this one, yeah, so we've got Chelsea played 3 games and won 2 matches. So Chelsea lost 1 match. Manchester City played 2 games and he won both of them. So that means he didn't lose any game. Manchester United, he played 2 games and he lost 1. He won 1 and lost 1. Liverpool, 1, he played 1, he lost, he won, he didn't win, and so he lost 1. Arsenal, he played 2, he lost, he didn't win anything, so he lost both of the 2 teams he played. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. Also, if you have another method of getting this or tackling this question, you can comment on the, you can put your comment on this comment section. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.